To al'umman arewa mun kalli bidiyon da aka tura a kafafen yada labaru har da wannan na yanan gizo, inda aka nuna Abbas yana kokawa da sauran sojoji a kan ana son a aishe bindigar shi, kuma wasu sun jahilci abin sun nuna ai Abbas bai kyauta ba da sauransu, kuma ma ai ba dalilin ma tausaya wa matar shi. To shikenan Allah ya saka da alkhairi dan abin da aka yi, tausaya wanda aka yi. Yanzu kuma da kuka canza ra'ayi, Allah ya saka da alkhairi. Amma ina son ku yi la'akari da abubuwa biyu uku ko zuwa uku haka. Mu ba jami'an tsaro bane, ba sojoji bane, amma muna tare da sojoji, da wanda suka yi murabus da waɗanda suke kan aiki yanzu. Kuma a 'yan shekarun da mutum ya yi a duniya ya ga abubuwa. Farko dai faretin soja wanda suke yi ba ranan cikan shekaran ƙasa ba ko wani abu, wai a ce an ɗauki kamara ana recording. Wannan abu ne wanda ke da alamun tambayoyi, ba alamun tambaya ba, alamar tambaya ba. Kuma ina ragowan bidiyon yake? Me yasa aka yanke daga daidai gurin? wani abubuwa ne suka auku kafin a kai wannan gabar? Sannan a matsayin shi na kanar, wannan yana siman, ainihin akwai tazara tsakaninsu a mukami, akwai tazara tsakaninsu a mukami. A aikin da muka sani na soja, oda kawai zai bada, umarni zai bada, ku je ku kulle min wani, kuma ya kullu. Amma in za a tafi a kulle shi, sai ya biya inna ya da sunan shi da lambar shi ya anshi bindiga a inna ake suke ansan bindigogi, ya mai da bindiga sannan a kulle shi. Ban ce mai da wa shugaban shi magana da ya yi daidai ba, akwai kuskure a ciki, duk da yake ba mu san dalilin da zai sa har ƙaramin soja ya maida wa babban soja martani ba. Abu ne wanda ba sa ɗauka da wasa. Amma jama'a ku diba, ƙaddara ma a ce ya yi hakan, ku diba, ƙaddara ma a ce ya yi hakan, shekara 6 a kulle. Na ji wani yana fashin baki a TikTok ranar, yana kyauta zaton ai an sa shi ne a gidan kamar inda ke kulawa da masu taɓin hankali. Ba haka ba ne. Wasu suna magana ne saboda son zuciya. Duk wanda ya shiga magana nan saboda son zuciya, ya mu ka san abin da muka kudata a rayukanmu. Ya Allah, duk wanda ya san gaskiya ya danna gaskiya, Allah ka mishi ko ka mata ko kuma ka musu abin da ya dace da su, yadda za su gane kurakuransu. To al'umma arewa, bayanin da na ce in yi kenan, ku je ku diba bidiyon daga inna aka yanke. Wai a ce ku kwace bindigan shi. Dolon ina ne shi? Idan aka kwace bindiga aka ja kulle shi, daga baya ya zo ya fito aka ce ba a sai inda bindiga take ba, ya ce me? Da sunan shi da service number shi ya je an so bindigan nan. In an yi harbi da bindigan nan, bullet din nan zai nuna daga bindigar shi aka yi. A yanda suke cewa ana bincike. To kun ji dalili. Ni dai maganan tausaya ma Husaina bai gushe ba. wallahi Allah jiya Husaina bata san inda take ba ta da lafiya. Sawa ne aka kai ta asibiti. Yanzu da safen nan ma ban samu zuwa indiba ta ba, indiba yanayin jikinta. Federal Medical Center Jabi aka kai ta. Tana karkarwa. Jama'a, in za a bi ta ɓarawo, to a bi ta mabi sawu. Now back to English. For every military person where you see and with gun, they no just throw away and give them more. He go sign them. That gun carrying identity. They say made them collect the gun for in hand. What if they collect the gun, they go lock them? Because after they collect your gun, now to go lock you. After like 1 week, 2 weeks, you can't come out. They say, where the gun?
The gun is missing.
Nobody fit talk, say, see the person where carry the gun. He go enter more trouble. Because he must explain where the gun dey. Simple instruction. You don't need to shout. I say, Colonel, you go just say, if it even ignore and do what they do, finish, you just give order, say, take him to the guard room. It is an order. You know if you resist them. They're not born and well. You go submit in rifle. They go lock him. Anytime when he remember him, he go say, make them bring him for him. We no be military. We no be uniform people. We no be security agents. But we deal with security agents. We deal with both serving and retired military uniform people, law enforcement agents. Yes, Oman.
Madam President, thank you very much for this opportunity again. That thing look like, I want to ask whether military personnel, when they parade and they do video.
Now I wonder.
Then secondly, it be like a pre-drill or a pre-parade arrangement because it was well orchestrated. Where we say they begin video almost immediately. Or there were cameras there where we say begin capture them. And it
that thing no be CCTV.
Because CCTV,
no be CCTV.
CCTV, you go see the aerial view.
CCTV go hear gunshot. You go throw away phone. You go throw away phone.
Huh? It was well recorded. It was well recorded.
My brothers, my sisters.
Madam President,
Elder.
My question is, waiting be the problem. Where did they start the problem? It can't just happen at that particular moment. Where did the matter started from? Because there was issue that brought that matter to that level. It didn't just start from that place. What happened? They must tell us exactly what happened before they get to this level. So they can't just start the video at the middle of the matter. Waiting be the problem. Waiting cause. What happened? They need to explain this thing to the public.
Okay, my elder.
Madam President.
Let's even assume, say, they no fit give us the remaining video, they no fit explain to us what we see. Now, gross misconduct, disobedient to the instruction of his senior and the rest.
Yes, sir.
Let's assume, say, all these ones happen. He's supposed to for detention for 6 years.
No.
In 2 children supposed die.
No.
Deny them.
So for you to know, say, then they follow him up. He did detention. Other people did detention. Christmas go come, they go share food, give their family. Salah go come, they go share food, give their family. Yeah. He own, they no give. In wife, wait undergo the torture. One of my uncles don't ever enter cell where they talk, say it coup or no coup. In wife, where he divorced, where the thing they pay me up till now. Now she they go. She go bribe her way. Sometimes they go lock her up with her husband inside the same cell. In the first place, nobody even know which part of Nigeria they go lock up. Now she struggle. Use connection, use connection. Come back. They can't cause problem between she and the husband. Now back to what we they talk. Woman, soldier man, some of those soldiers will come here, carry cry, come. One, begin run mad as a result of, say, he did detention for 1 year plus. They stop in salary. In wife, run away with him children. He can't ask me where he go start from. We know they justify what Abbas do. Military and military, they get their rules and regulations that must be followed.
Yes, sir.
But in the case of Army and Navy, small difference there. Army cannot talk. Navy can talk, if permitted. It's there for their book. I know they talk off heart. Now, let's assume, say, if they get you of waiting the video show. If not kill, therefore don't kill and sins.
Yes, sir.
If not dismiss, therefore don't dismiss and sins. Person day for detention for 6 years. You say make the wife no carry cry come here.
What do you do?
Where
will she go to?
When I hear her narration, where and where she don't go, how they ignore her. This woman carry her twins, where she carry belly for sale. Where should they go take care of her husband we get mental problem? She carry belly in the course of that process. She come born twins. Twins begin they sick. One of them they sick. She go one div hospital where all of other people they go.
They deny her.
Carry her husband number, army number, service number. Carry photocopy of his ID card and everything. Show say now my husband and record good day now.
Yes, sir. Yet they denied her.
They deny her till one pikin die.
And that was
what did she do? What did the pikin do?
I wonder.
Waiting Abbas know where they no one make he survive. It be like say he know too much. He gets something where happen where Abbas witness where they want no one make he come out, make he tell the whole world.
There's more to it.
If no be so, the second child begin the sick.
Yet
she carry go the same hospital. They pursue her till the second child die. When I say that woman